Hello, my mathematics lovers. Let's quickly look at the topic of division of fractions. If you understand multiplication of fractions, then division of fractions is just like a piece of cake. Just one rule that you need to know. And there you go. And what is that rule? The rule is as stated here. Keep, change, flip. Without wasting further time, let's go into the topic of division of fractions. We'll just work a number of examples and you will see that it's as easy as ABC. So, what does keep, change, flip mean? Keep here means keep the first fraction as it is. Change means change division to multiplication. And flip, you will need to flip the second fraction. Flipping means you will turn it upside down. As in, take the reciprocal. Or in other words, the denominator becomes the numerator while the numerator becomes the denominator. That's the meaning of flip. Keep, change, flip. So let's work this first example. We're asked to keep this first fraction as it is. Then change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. See how I'm going to do it. Did you get that? Very easy. Instead of 3 over 21, we'll now make it 21 over 3. Of course, you know our old trick of working stuff like this. So we can say 3 over 7 times, instead of 21, 21 is the same thing as 7 times 3, all over 3. So this 7 will go with this 7. This 3 will go with this 3. And the numerator, what we have left is just 3. And in the denominator is 1. So the answer is 3. Pretty easy, not so? Yeah. Let's now work the second example. Following the same rule. Keep, change, flip. We'll keep the first fraction as it is. Remains 4 over 5. We will change division to multiplication and we'll flip the second fraction. 20 over 3 instead of 3 over 20. We can also apply our old trick here. 4 over 5 times 20 is the same thing as 5 times 4. Sure you agree with me? All over 3. 5 times 4, all over 3. So this 5 will go with this 5. Is there any other thing? No. So what's left on the numerator will be 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what again? That's 16, right? All over 3. 16 all over 3. Let me make it clearer here so that it remains in frame when we produce the video or when we edit the video. So 16 over 3 is the answer. The rule remains the same. Keep, change, flip. So for this example, we'll keep the first fraction as it is. We'll change division to multiplication and we'll flip the second fraction. So it becomes 4 over 3. So there's just one thing we can do here. This 3 can go with this 3. And what's remaining in the numerator? 1 times 4 is 4. And in the denominator, 5 times 1, that's 5. And that's just the answer. Very easy. Let's look at this example very carefully. I want to make it clearer. We are having 2 over 3 is a fraction all divided by 2 over 9. This expression is the same thing as 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 9. Yes, because this big stroke is a division line. So we apply our rules. Keep, change, flip. We'll keep the first fraction. We'll change division to multiplication, and we'll flip the second fraction. That becomes 9/2. Of course, there is something we can do to simplify. This becomes 2/3 times 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3 all over 2. Having done that, this 3 can go with this 3, this 2 can go with this 2, and what's remaining in the numerator is just 1 times 3, which is 3, all over what's remaining in the denominator. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 3. 3/1 is the same thing as 3. I'm sure you know that. Easy, easy, easy. Hey guys, look at this example very well. We have a whole number. There's a division line and there's 2/3. It's very easy. A fraction dividing a whole number. This is the same thing as 8 divided by 2/3. And what are we going to do? Remember that our old trick when we did multiplication, all we need to do is convert this whole number to a fraction. And how do we do that? 8/1 is the same thing as 8 divided by 2/3. And it's now in the form that we know. So we keep the first fraction the way it is. Keep, change, flip. Keep 8/1 as it is. Change division to multiplication, then flip the second fraction, 3/2. Is there anything we can do here? Yes, we can do something. 8 is the same thing as 4 times 2, because I've seen a 2 in the numerator. So I quickly know that if 2 divides 8, I'll get 4. So 4 times 2 is 8 all over 1 times 3/2. So this 2 will go with this 2. Alright guys, so what we have left on the numerator is 4 times 3, 4 times 3, and that gives us 12, while in the denominator what is left is 1. So 12/1 is the same thing as 12, and that's just the answer. Here we have a whole number dividing a fraction. Very easy. A whole number dividing a fraction. So 2/3 divided by 8. This expression is the same thing as 2/3 divided by 8. And we go ahead to convert this whole number to a fraction, which is 2/3 divided by 8 all over 1. So keep, change, flip. What we're going to have there is 2/3, change, flip, or take the reciprocal. Instead of 8/1, we'll now have 1/8. Is there something we can do? Yes. This equals 2/3 times 1/4 times 2. 4 times 2 is the same thing as 8. So this 2 goes with this 2. And what's remaining on the numerator is 1. All over the denominator, 3 times 4 is 12. Very easy. That's the answer. Here is our last example. 12/30 divided by 20/15. keep change flip. This becomes 12 over 30 times, we change this, and then we take the reciprocal or flip the other fraction. Now become 15 all over 20. Want to break these big numbers down. Here I'm having 30 and here I'm having 15. There's something I can do. 30 is the same thing as 15 times 2. Both these numbers are divisible by 4. 12 and 20 are divisible by 4. So 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3 all over 15 times 2 times 15 all over 4 times 5. So 4 will go with 4, 15 will go with 15. Is there any other thing I can do? Not really. So what's left on the numerator is 3. And what's left on the denominator is 2 times 5, which is 10. Let me make it clearer. The answer is 3 over 10. Let me just make it clearer here. So that's our answer. And guys, that's the end of division of fractions. Just remember, keep, change, flip. Did you enjoy this video? If you watched this video to this extent, that means you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, and share this video. If you are not yet following my page, please follow my page. There is more of this coming your way. Both basic mathematics, advanced mathematics, engineering, modeling. We also have tips for healthy living, daily motivation, just clean content on this page. Thank you and bye for now.